Welcome back guys to a new tutorial. Today you'll learn how to automate invoices and the client billing. So you'll learn how to automatically generate invoices for your clients, send them via email and log payments into your database. This workflow is ideal for freelancer agencies, SaaS companies or any business that invoices clients regularly. By automating billing, you can save hours of manual work and potentially generated $11,000 a month by offering this as a service or optimizing your internal processes. So what you learn in this workflow: to generate professional invoices automatically using the templates, email invoices to clients as PDF attachment, track invoice status and payments in a database, notify your finance team via Slack when invoices are sent or overdue, and reduce billing or errors and speed up revenue collection. Let's start the workflow, guys. Okay, you have the webhook node that will receive invoices data from your CRM e-commerce system or form. Let's open it. Path new invoice. Okay, on the production or relay you have this webhook new invoice. Response immediately and the response code 200. Okay, so for example, you will receive the invoice number, the client name, the client email, the service, the amount, and the due date with this webhook node. Let's set the invoice data. So we will prepare the invoice data for use in PDF generation and emails. Okay, we will ensure all the files. You will have here add value string. We can type here first the name, that is the invoice number, invoice number. Another field will be client name. Another field will be client email that will extract from the webhook node. The service, that is the website development. The amount and also the due date. That is the file you will extract from the webhook node. So ensure all the files are properly structured. Okay, after this, we log the invoice to a Google Sheet. On spreadsheet, you'll choose operation append, use patient ID, and arrange invoices from A to G. Okay, also add a new row to track invoices in your invoices sheet. The columns will be invoice number, client name, client email, service amount, due date, and status. After that, you have the node PDF generate API generate invoices. On the resource, we'll choose document, operation generate, and template ID, your template, the ID of your invoices template. Okay, on the data, we'll inject value from the set node, the invoice details. The format is PDF and the outputs base 64. Okay, after that, you'll go to the next node, to the Google, to the email node. Email with that will send the invoices. Okay, here you have from email billing your company. Okay, from email and to email JSON client point email, JSON client email. On CC email don't put anything. On subject I want to show you subject invoice, JSON invoice number from your company. The body will include service, amount, and due date. We'll attach also the generate invoice PDF using document URL. you have the text here. Let's see more clear. So hello JSON client name, please find attach your invoice, JSON invoice number for JSON service, amount due and the due date. Thank you. This is the template you will choose when you use this email send invoice. After this, we will have another node Google Sheets that will update the invoice row from the pending send. So the operation will be update, and this will update the invoices row from the pending send. And finally, the final node is the Slack that will notify the finance team, operation post, channel finance, and with this text will notify invoice, JSON invoice number sent to JSON client name, JSON amount, and the due date that is here. Okay, I hope you enjoy, guys. I will also put the all the JSON file on my YouTube video comment. Thank you for watching and see you next video. And also comment on the video if you have any worries or whatever you want, and what you want. If you want another video like this, like and subscribe. Thank you, guys. See you on next video. Bye bye.